I just got a new California Air Tools 1P1060S air compressor. I got it on Amazon, and it came through Amazon, not the Postal Service, and it took 9 days to get here. They said it would take 9 days, you know, and they were accurate, but it did take a heck of a long time. There it is. That's pretty good. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Definitely has some weight. And it's a 0.6 horsepower. It's got a 1 gallon tank. You can look up all the specs. Well, let's get this thing sealed up pretty tight. Okay, wow, a box and another box. Oh my God. Cardboard was money, I'd be rich. Oh, it's upside down. Whatever, should be okay. Yeah, it's upside down. What do we got? Alright. Yeah, the little sucker's got some weight to it. I think they said it was around 35 pounds, but here it is. It's a nice looking unit. And that's what you get. It's the unit. And a little doodad. And I'll hook it up and then we'll come back to see it run.